Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we have a question which says 16 divided by 2 times brackets open 2 plus 2 and bracket close times 2. So we will follow this PEMDAS rule, which we know in previous videos as parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So when we are dealing with parenthesis first, we take this one. Now we have 2 plus 2, which gives us 4. Since we have 4, we are just going to do this and rewrite our expression as such. Now we are solving from left to right. So from left to right, we are just going to take 16 divided by 2, which gives us 8 times 4 times 2. Still on the left to right, 8 times 4 gives us 32 times 2, which gives us our final answer to be 64. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.